back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your background just like this. As you can see, it's really pretty and cool. It would only take you like 30 seconds. But before that, please go to our YouTube channel, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and also you can like it. And we also have these really cool videos like how to view private Instagram accounts without you following them, or how to change your username on TikTok without waiting those 13 days. So, that being said, let's get into the video. So we have to go on Play Store, search for designer tools, just like this. Install this app, open it, then go right here to mockup overlay and pick the portrait one. Click on it and choose a photo. I will choose this photo, for example. If the photo is not full and you still have this space in the upper page and down, it will show a little bit bad. So what you can do to correct this, you just have to go to gallery. So we have this picture, right? We have this space up and down. So what we can do is we can zoom in and then make a screenshot. And then we have a full size picture. So I just did it. We have a full size picture. It's this one. So before that it was like this. Now it's like this. So let's go back to designer tools. Go again to portrait and choose a full size picture. Just like this. It doesn't matter if it has this space in the right or left. This is okay. So then you go right here to opacity. When it says 10% opacity, you just have to increase it. I like it 100%. Then go here to mockup overlay and turn this on. Enable it just like this. Then go to messenger. It will look like this. It's not looking that good right now, but I will show you how to look good. You just have to go on your profile right in the left corner in the upper page. Then go to dark mode and turn it on, and it will look just like this. Now looks much better. Yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below, like this video, and also you can subscribe to our channel. It means a lot for us. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.